Welcome back. This is Don Beavers with bloggingcodex.com. In our last tutorial we showed you how to add Google AdSense to your WordPress blog for monetization. In this tutorial we're going to show you how to take it a step farther and add affiliate code from sites like Clickbank and Commission Junction to your WordPress blog. So let's get started. The first thing you're going to need to do is log into your admin panel for your WordPress blog. Scroll down to the Appearance tag and click on Editor. And what we're going to do is edit the theme to include the code. Your WordPress blog is divided into sections. The top section is called the header, and of course the very bottom section is going to be called the footer. The column on the left is going to be called Sidebar 1. The middle part is going to be your main content, and then the column on the right is going to be called Sidebar 2. And what we're going to do today is put a Clickbank ad right above this block that says Events in the right sidebar. So let's get started. In your editor, click the Sidebar 2 template. And we're going to want to put this at the top, so right after where it says Division Class, where it's starting the sidebar, make some space for your code. Now, there's a couple of things that I like to do when I'm adding code to my blogs, and the first thing is I like to center the ads on the sidebar so that they're not too far to the left. So we'll put a center HTML tag there and close it. Another thing I like to do is I like to have some space between my ad and the content. So I'm going to put a little paragraph tag underneath where I'm going to put my code, and a little break and a paragraph across the top. And let's go get some Clickbank code. I've already logged into my Clickbank account, and we're going to build a tabbed ad box for this site. So we'll click the Get Started button, and a tabbed ad bar has 3 tabs with 5 ads for different products each. Now we need to adjust the products to where they kind of match our site. This is going to be a wedding site, so obviously we don't need pet information there. So let's go ahead and make the first tab Relationships, and we'll put the keyword relationship in for the advertiser search. We'll make the second tab Travel. That would be a good one because people like to go on honeymoons. So we'll put travel and hotels as the keywords. And then the last one we'll put health, because everyone wants to feel good. And let's see how that looks. Very nice. We've got our 3 tabs there with some advertisements on each one. Now I like to have my advertisements a little bit thinner than that, so I'm going to make mine 250 pixels wide instead of 300. And I also like to have a bigger selection, so I'm going to make that 7 rows of ads instead of 5. You have a couple options. One is to have the clicks open up into a new window, and the other option is to have the clicks leave your site and go to the other person's site. I'm going to go ahead and leave this one as the default, which is open the ad in a new window. And let's see how this looks completed. And there we are. Very nice. We have 7 advertisements in 3 categories for a total of 21 ads in not very much space. So let's go ahead and copy this code. We'll go back to our theme editor, and in between the center tabs that we built, we're going to go ahead and paste that. Now all we have to do is update the file, and we get a little notice saying file edited successfully. Keep in mind that if we had wanted to add code to our left side, we would have used sidebar 1. If we wanted to add a banner across the top, we'd have clicked this header link and then scrolled down and placed our banner code here. And let's see how this looked. We'll go back to our website, and we'll hit the refresh. And here we are. Ads all set up. So congratulations on adding affiliate code to your new blog.